Good afternoon, teachers and friends. We are from Group 2, which consists of myself, Rania, Putri, Rifki, Valerie, and Arena. Will present you our final project, the Seabin. Next, please. Okay. The first thing we did before constructing a system is determining the problem formulation. We made a problem tree to help break down and elaborate the general problem into small details and to help us choose one specific problem. As it is seen in the diagram, plastic is dragged and is leaked to the marine environment in various paths. There are many efforts that have been done to prevent plastic pollution, such as using reusable bags, reducing the use of plastic straws, recycling, and many more. However, there is still little effort to clean up what is already in the ocean. It is estimated that 14 million metric tons of microplastics are already on the ocean floor in 2020. Therefore, we thought that it is important to reduce macro and microplastics that are already dumped in the ocean by constructing a system that can effectively solve this problem. It is best to keep in mind that the system or tool that is going to be selected must be able to filter and separate both macro and microplastics from the water. Next, please. So here is the methodology flowchart. There are three alternative designs that we have come up with. Those are the interceptor, the garbage patch cleaner, and the Seabin.
So these are the score for the alternative designs. As you can see, the Seabin has the highest score because first, it is environmentally friendly. Why? The materials are rust resistant, so it will not contaminate the water. Second, it is pleasing to the eye because the Seabin is made of high modern quality so that it has high aesthetic value. Third, it is catches micro and macro waste because the Seabin is able to catch 2 millimeter length of plastic fragments and also collects up to 20,000 plastic bottles every year. And last but not least, cost efficient. The Seabin costs about $3,980 for each installation. Also, Seabin can catch around 1.5 kilogram debris every day with running costs of fewer than $3 a day. Next, please.
Okay, so what is Seabin? Seabin is an ocean cleaning technology that collects trash floating in ports and marinas. It can intercept floating debris, micro and macroplastics, and even microfibers with an additional filter. By acting as a trash skimmer, the Seabin is also able to clean the water from the contaminated organic material. Next, please. So here are the components of the Seabin. First, we got the inner parts, consists of the catch bag and its parts. The filter is made out of polypropylene, and the rest, like the frame, is made out of stainless steel. We have the middle part here. It consists of mainly the main body and the inner float. The main body will act as an outside cover to the inner float, while the inner float will act as the housing for the inner part. Both of these will be made out of high-density polyethylene. The last one is the outer part. This will be the support for the rest of the parts of the Seabin. The piping and the brackets will be made out of 316 marine grade stainless steel. Next.
Okay, this is our SketchUp designs of Seabin. This is the inner parts, the middle parts, and the other parts. I will explain the mechanism of the Seabin. So the Seabin will be pumped up by this water pump. As a result, the ocean debris and the plastics in the ocean will go through here inside the Seabin and trapped in the inner parts right here. Meanwhile, the water that comes along with the ocean debris will go through here, through the pipe, and will go here and will be separated between the oil and the water. So the ocean water will go back here cleaner than before. So what is the difference between our Seabin and other Seabins? Firstly, we try to design our inner parts and middle parts as simple as possible because we want it to be as cheap as possible, but still efficient to use. Secondly, instead of using the PVC pipe, we are using corrugated pipes. here for the materials because first it's light and easy to install and also flexible. And lastly, we have filter here to separate the ocean water from the oil and the water because sometimes the ocean water is contaminated by oil. So we want our Seabin not only to clean the ocean water from the ocean debris, but also cleaning the ocean debris, cleaning the ocean water from the oil. And this is the simulation of our Seabin. The plastics will go here, trapped in the inner parts of the Seabin.
And the maintenance and upkeep for the Seabin includes regularly checking and emptying the catch can, clean the top of the Seabin using a boat brush when needed, take the Seabin out of the water and pressure wash to remove unwanted stuff sticking to the Seabin such as barnacles. Advisably do this monthly. Periodically clean and dry the pump to avoid a seized pump. While doing that, do remove the impeller to remove any debris stuck there. Make sure the rubber seal is in place before reinstalling the pump and putting the Seabin back in the water.
Thank you for your attention.